Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have some tire gauges that end up breaking on me. I go to check the tires when the light comes on, and you go to grab these and you go to put them in, and a lot of these cheap ones break on you. I ended up getting a new one. We'll see how long this one lasts. It seemed to be a little bit more sturdy, but we'll find out. I ended up having one of these a long time ago, and I couldn't find it for the life of me. So I went online to Amazon and bought one because I want to see if these last a lot longer than these ones here. So I also wanted to make these a lot more findable. So they have these online and you can get them on Amazon, and they have those tire wraparounds on these. And I wanted to make one of my own since I 3D print and design. And so that's what I went and did. And so we have a red one and a yellow one. The yellow one is TPU and the red one is PLA. This one's a lot sturdier. It's hard to get off. This one's a lot more ergonomic, or feels a lot more rubbery. Well, I'm gonna go and see how long these last compared to these, and see if I don't lose them. That would probably be the main challenge. But hey, if you got any good information out of this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hey, we'll catch you in that next video. Peace.